Welcome to my full review of Zipato, a smart home automation system that promises to bring flexibility and security to your connected home. Zipato offers a modular approach, allowing you to create personalized automation with its central hub and cloud-based platform. I'll walk you through my experience with setting it up, integrating devices, and using its features, while also pointing out where it excels and where it falls short. The first thing I noticed about Zipato is its customization options. Unlike many other smart home hubs, Zipato gives you a rule creator that works like a visual programming tool. You can set up automation based on triggers, schedules, and conditions, making it a powerful tool for advanced users. However, beginners might find the interface overwhelming at first. The setup process was not as intuitive as I expected, requiring a fair bit of trial and error before getting devices to sync properly. Device compatibility is another major factor when choosing a smart home hub. Zipato supports a variety of protocols like Z-Wave, Zigbee, and Wi-Fi, allowing it to work with many third-party devices. In my experience, adding Z-Wave devices was relatively smooth, but Zigbee devices had inconsistent connectivity. Some brands work seamlessly, while others required additional configuration. If you already have an ecosystem of smart devices, make sure to check compatibility before investing in Zipato. One of the standout features of Zipato is its security integration. You can set up different security levels, access control, and even create alarm zones. The ability to connect IP cameras and receive real-time alerts makes it a solid choice for home security automation. However, some of these features are locked behind premium subscriptions, which might not be ideal for users looking for a one-time purchase solution. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Gifmeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. The mobile app experience is another area where Zipato has room for improvement. The app provides a decent amount of control, but I encountered occasional delays when executing commands remotely. The interface also feels outdated compared to other smart home platforms that prioritize a more user-friendly design. If you rely heavily on mobile control, this is something to consider. Performance-wise, Zipato's responsiveness depends on whether you are using local processing or cloud-based automation. Local execution is faster and more reliable, but not all automations run locally, leading to occasional lags when relying on cloud processing. Compared to competitors like Humitat or Home Assistant, Zipato's reliance on the cloud for some functions can be a drawback for those looking for instant response times. Overall, Zipato is a capable smart home automation platform with strong customization and security features. It's great for advanced users who want fine control over automation rules and integrations. However, it has a learning curve, occasional connectivity issues, and a subscription model that might not appeal to everyone. If you're looking for an out-of-the-box plug-and-play solution, this might not be the best choice. But if you enjoy tinkering and fine-tuning your smart home setup, Zipato has a lot to offer. Let me know in the comments what you think about Zipato, or if you have any experience using it. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more smart home reviews.